Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Anjali and today I will show you how to make this mini heart album with this twist and turn lock. I have made this for 5 cards on which you can paste pictures or you can write messages. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. तो सबसे पहले एक कार्ड स्टॉक लीजिए ऑफ 9 इंटू 9 सेंटीमीटर। फिर उसे दो साइड से 7 सेंटीमीटर पे मार्क कर दीजिए और दोनों पॉइंट्स को हार्ट की शेप बनाकर ज्वाइन कर दीजिए। तो इसी तरह से मेक 2 रेड हार्ट्स एंड 5 ब्लैक हार्ट्स। अब एल्बम की साइड्स के लिए टेक अ कार्ड स्टॉक ऑफ 14 इंटू 6.5 सेंटीमीटर एंड स्टार्ट स्कोरिंग इट एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 1 सेंटीमीटर ईच। Once you are done with the scoring, give it a fan folding. Similarly, make one more for the other side and keep them both aside for now. Now trace one heart on glitter foam sheet, cut it out and paste it on this red heart. Now take both the sides, interlock them by sliding into each other and hold it together. Glue both the sides to keep it intact. Now paste glitter heart as front of the album and plain red heart as back of the album. Set all the cards inside the album. Now to make the lock, take a card piece of 4 into 3 cm and score it at 0.5, 1, 3 and 3.5 cm. Flip the card and start scoring at 0.5, 1, 2 and 2.5 cm. Cut out all the corners. And score and fold all the lines. Now mark the center of the piece and punch hole at the marked center. Now take a paper strip to make a brad. Fold the two sides and paste it at the center. Pass the brad through the punched hole. Apply glue on back of the brad and paste a small circle as a stopper for avoiding the brad to slide out of the hole. Trim off the extra part. Make sure that circle used as a stopper should remain inside the edges of rectangle, else it will create a problem while locking. Paste the sides and let it dry completely. Then check if the brad is rotating freely. Now take a card piece of 3.5 into 2.5 cm and score it at 0.5, 1, 2.5 and 3 cm. Flip the card and score at 0.5, 1, 1.5 and 2 cm. Cut all the 4 corners. Score and fold all the lines. Paste the sides and let the glue dry completely. Now take a card piece of 3 into 2 cm and take the twister part and trace it on the center of this card piece. Cut it out with the help of a paper cutter. And check if it's passing through the twister easily. Now take a card piece and draw a line at 1.5 cm. Flip the card and draw a line at 0.5 and 1 cm. Take the base of lock, apply glue on the brad and paste twister on the brad. Check if the lock is working fine. Then take the album and paste this strip on the back of the album. Take another glitter foam sheet heart and paste it at the back of the album. Now, to complete the lock, apply the glue on the one end of a strip, paste the card piece, check where to paste the lock, apply the glue and paste it at the position. Let the glue dry completely and your heart album with the twist and turn lock is ready. If you like this video, like, share and comment. Do subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.